Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Ford Edge Limited. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 129,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.